The Minnesota Senate is debating whether to guarantee abortion access in state law. A yes vote tonight would send the bill to the governor's desk. Political reporter Theo Keith is at the Capitol tonight. And Theo, what's the status of the vote?
Well, Karen, debate is now crossed the 6-hour mark as Republicans make a filibuster of sorts by offering a lot of amendments. Democrats have a single-seat majority, and they believe a mandate from voters to act quickly on the abortion issue. When lawmakers arrived at the Capitol this morning for the vote, they were greeted by activists and extra security. The biggest crowds of the year come to the Minnesota Capitol as Senate Democrats prepare to send their abortion bill to the governor. State troopers kept the activists on either side back from the Senate chamber. A line formed to get seats in the gallery.
The Senate will come to order.
Abortion is already a protected right in Minnesota under a 1995 state Supreme Court ruling. But Democrats say a law creates a backstop in case the court ever reverses itself.
God forbid that could happen here in our state against our values, but we do not know what the future holds. And those changes can happen, as we have seen at the federal level, very quickly.
The measure doesn't add new restrictions into law on when an abortion can be performed. Republicans call that extreme.
Today we are not just codifying Roe v. Wade or Doe v. Gomez, as the author has indicated. We are enacting the most extreme bill in the country.
Of the 10,000 abortions performed in Minnesota in 2021, only one happened in the third trimester. More than 90% came during the first trimester. Since the end of Roe v. Wade, Minnesota's abortion providers say they've seen a 13% increase in women coming from out of state and an increase in second trimester abortions, which they blame on restrictive laws elsewhere.
Anytime you put a barrier in place, there's going to be a delay. And the more barriers you put in place, the longer the time frame is going to be where they can access that care.
And if the Senate does pass this bill tonight without making changes, it will go to Governor Tim Walz, who plans to sign it, we're told, early next week. Karen, Tim?